Can I reheat frozen cooked lobster meat in the microwave?
Hello everyone! Today, we're tackling a common seafood question. Can I reheat frozen cooked lobster meat in the microwave? The quick answer is yes, you can, but there are a few crucial steps to keep in mind to preserve the lobster's texture and flavor. Let's dive in.
Why is the reheating method important?
Reheating lobster in the microwave may sound quick and easy, but improper reheating can result in tough, chewy lobster meat. Lobster is delicate seafood, so it's crucial to take care not to overheat it. By following the right method, you can enjoy lobster that's as good as when it was first cooked.
Preparing your lobster for reheating.
Firstly, if your lobster is frozen, it's best to thaw it in the fridge overnight. This will help maintain its texture. If you're in a rush, you can also use a cold water bath for quicker thawing. To prepare your lobster for reheating: 1. Place the lobster meat in a microwave-safe dish. 2. Add a tablespoon of water to help keep the lobster moist. 3. Cover the dish with a microwave-safe lid or wrap it loosely with microwave-safe plastic wrap.
The reheating process.
When it comes to the reheating itself, it's important to be patient and attentive. Here's how. 1. Set your microwave to a medium power setting. Avoid using high power as it could cook the lobster further and make it tough. 2. Start with an initial heating time of 1 minute. 3. After the first minute, carefully check the temperature of the lobster meat. It should be warmed but not piping hot. 4. If it's not warm enough, continue microwaving in 15 to 30-second increments, checking after each until it reaches the desired temperature. Remember, the goal is to warm the lobster, not cook it further.
Serving your reheated lobster.
Once your lobster is adequately reheated, it's ready to serve. Consider adding some melted butter on the side for a classic lobster dining experience. Remember, reheated lobster is best consumed immediately to enjoy its optimal flavor and texture. And there you have it. You can absolutely reheat frozen cooked lobster in the microwave. The key points to remember are to defrost it properly, add a little water, use medium microwave power, and heat in short increments. With these tips in mind, you're ready to enjoy your delicious lobster. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your meal.